Rico here with a fish on. Look at that. First fish of the year in the boat.
It's a big one.
It's a big one. Probably about 40. Lift it up, Rico. Lift it up. Lift it up.
I don't know what the point is.
Yeah. There you go. Say cheese, Rico.
Hey, save that for me later. It'll be my date.
Oh, fishy. I called it too. I said, man, that's a good spot, Rico.
That's a pretty good sized smallmouth. Go ahead.
Yeah. Yay. I got you. Fish on.
Keep going. Wait.
Ooh.
Wait,
Now reel it in. Reel it in again.
Boogie with his first fish. Damn, that's a good sized one.
Can you take pictures of this?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay,
Oh, that's a good one. Largemouth. Holy crap. Hold up. Grab by the mouth, boy. Grab him in.
yeah.
There you go. Dang. Boogie with the fish right there. Wow, that's a keeper size right there.
Hold it, Mikey.
Let's see, Boogie. Hold it. Both of you guys.
Boogie.
Michael, let's see a picture real quick. Bring it up. Face it this way. I can't see it. Nice.
Hey, let me get a